Even Tom didn't have to do that. Even Tom didn't have to do that. I asked Tom why I should do that. I asked Tom why I should do that. I bet Tom could help you do that. I bet Tom could help you do that. I bet Tom won't agree to do that. I bet Tom won't agree to do that. I convinced Tom to do that. I convinced Tom to do that. I didn't know Tom didn't do that. I didn't know Tom didn't do that. I didn't tell Tom how to do that. I didn't tell Tom how to do that. I didn't want to do that for Tom. I didn't want to do that for Tom. I don't think Tom has to do that. I don't think Tom has to do that. I don't want to do that with Tom. I don't want to do that with Tom. I have a feeling Tom can do that. I have a feeling Tom can do that. I hear that Tom wouldn't do that. I hear that Tom wouldn't do that. I hope Tom is willing to do that. I hope Tom is willing to do that. I hope Tom will agree to do that. I hope Tom will agree to do that. I hope Tom won't want to do that. I hope Tom won't want to do that. I know Tom didn't do that for me. I know Tom didn't do that for me. I know Tom won't do that for me. I know Tom won't do that for me. I know Tom won't help me do that. I know Tom won't help me do that. I know why Tom shouldn't do that. I know why Tom shouldn't do that. I think Tom might want to do that. I think Tom might want to do that. I think Tom will do that for us. I think Tom will do that for us. I told Tom you'd want to do that. I told Tom you'd want to do that. I won't show Tom how to do that. I won't show Tom how to do that. I wonder why Tom had to do that. I wonder why Tom had to do that. I'll ask Tom to help me do that. I'll ask Tom to help me do that. I'll do that if Tom wants me to. I'll do that if Tom wants me to. I'll get Tom to do that for Mary. I'll get Tom to do that for Mary. I'm sure Tom intended to do that. I'm sure Tom intended to do that. I've decided to help Tom do that. I've decided to help Tom do that. It was foolish of Tom to do that. It was foolish of Tom to do that. It was lucky Tom didn't do that. It was lucky Tom didn't do that. It'll be easy for Tom to do that. It'll be easy for Tom to do that. Let's get Tom to do that for you. Let's get Tom to do that for you. Maybe Tom will agree to do that. Maybe Tom will agree to do that. Please don't allow Tom to do that. Please don't allow Tom to do that. Please encourage Tom to do that. Please encourage Tom to do that. Please tell Tom he has to do that. Please tell Tom he has to do that. Please tell Tom to do that soon. Please tell Tom to do that soon. Tom agreed to help Mary do that. Tom agreed to help Mary do that. Tom apparently agreed to do that. Tom apparently agreed to do that. Tom asked me to do that for Mary. Tom asked me to do that for Mary. Tom barely had the time to do that. Tom barely had the time to do that. Tom can do that faster than me. Tom can do that faster than me. Tom could force Mary to do that. Tom could force Mary to do that. Tom didn't allow Mary to do that. Tom didn't allow Mary to do that. Tom didn't do that the right way. Tom didn't do that the right way. Tom doesn't do that on Mondays. Tom doesn't do that on Mondays. Tom doesn't often do that alone. Tom doesn't often do that alone. Tom doesn't plan to do that here. Tom doesn't plan to do that here. Tom doesn't think you're going to do that. Tom doesn't think you're going to do that.